Well, we're in here in the bluffs over Henderson Lake. I just finished moving a chunk off the road a few minutes ago. Just letting this loaded come through. 850 Kenworth. This has got a 12V71 TT twin turbo with an 18-speed fuller. Not for a load. Gotta love it, eh?